Hello everyone, this is introduction of firmware check and upgrade in VMP software. Step 1. Run VMP software. Select a device or device group in device list. Step 2. Go to menu bar, choose Tools, Maintain. Step 3. Select the Controller Maintain tab and check the controller firmware info. Step 4. Select the online device which you would like to upgrade the firmware and then click Upgrade to choose the firmware path. After all the settings, controller firmware can be upgraded successfully. Step 5. Select the tail maintenance and you can check receiving card firmware and upgrade it with the same steps as controller. Please note, the format of controller firmware is IMG. The format of receiving card firmware is ZIP or RAR, and no need to release it.